do a quick video. This is all of the initial baby birds from this year. Yes, they get up there, they poop all over my blanket, but I have to have something to wrap the babies up in when I put them up to keep they've got a little heater in there. Keeps them warm. The little babies, that is. This group kind of sticks together. Cotton is, I'm pretty sure, is a roux. Are you going to be a roux? So, yep, probably. Alright, let's go down here. Sorry, I got a duck to get out because I got the top part closed. There's the ducks, the baby ducks that we saw hatch. They are a lot bigger. That little red one, I don't know if y'all can see. Here she comes. That's Truly. And Eggy is so cute because Eggy is so small. He's deaf. I would bet my life that he's definitely a rooster. And then that's Katie Bird. They in the jungle, baby. Oh, isn't Eggy cute? He's actually pretty small. He did hatch like a day or two early, so I guess he would be considered a preemie. Katie Bird has yet to attack me, but sometimes he acts like he wants to, so I'm always, and look, I don't know if y'all can see his spur. I definitely don't want it. So we watch him. I think he's cool though. He got hurt really bad by my other rooster, and I took a lot of special care with him. So I think he appreciates that and hasn't attacked me yet, but there's still time. There's Lester in there. He's eating. He's been really enjoying the honeysuckle bushes, but who could blame him? Hey, Eggy, look at Eggy. And he ain't scared. Yep, I would bet my life that he's a rooster, even though he's small. His comb is just so prominent. Not the black one, the little red one. The black one's definitely a rooster. Y'all have seen the short. He does things. Yeah. Oh! Sometimes I can get him to crow. There's the other bigger birds are free ranging. My ducks have been trespassing in my neighbor's yard. So I've been having to go stop that a lot. And it's really close to the road too. Honestly, my neighbor probably is fine with it. But yeah, I don't want them near the road. Lester! Oh! Do it. Do it. Do it, Katie Bird. Oh! Come on. So, Katie Bird is a barnyard mix. I don't know how he became solid black because I didn't have any solid black birds at all when I got his egg. In fact, it had been like a year since I'd had a solid black bird. Yes. Alright. I'm going to assume that you're done being filmed. And you won't crow for me. Hey there, birdies. Y'all enjoying your best life? There he went. There he went. So Eggy is the one with the bigger comb. Right there coming up front. Hey, Eggy. He is so stinking cute because he's so little. You're the runt. Here comes Cluckberry. She's a Sapphire Gem. Even if I had a male Sapphire Gem and they bred, they would not be a Sapphire Gem because they're a crossbreed. Interesting, right? I think it's interesting. Let's see, which one is that? That looks like Queen Anne. Yeah, I went and got your egg. You've been laying it in a spot where I have to crawl through duck poop to get it. Thanks. Let's see. So, the one hanging her breast over, that's Keiki. She is so pretty. Alright, cluck, cluck. I'm probably getting ready to have to go get my ducks from the neighbor's yard, so we'll go ahead and end this. And I think it's probably going to rain soon, so I'll probably be putting the birds up a little bit early. At least these birds. Cluck, cluck, everybody.